up, Brian family, for today's video. Wait, before we start the video, let us give shoutouts. First, our lucky guy, my classmate, John Mark. Okay, cause I was giving out cards and what they got, I need to do. So he got I'll give them a shoutout. So like. Okay, let's go back to the video now. We're just playing Roblox. Guess the game, bro. Guess the game. The game is. Bro, you guys don't know this. Unbox a brain rot. Look at this. Okay, but no, I'm kinda noob. I never tried this game. That is okay if I'm late for, but we don't have school, so I can sleep late. So that's bro. Eight. Boy, what are you doing in my server, man? But what are you doing in my server, man? You can steal. You can. Trusted great. I'm glad to see.
Trippi troppi, troppa trippa.
Did he just pull up Mateo?
Garam mararam raraman mararaman.
Okay, let me just finish this and I will go to upgrade. Let's see this.
Garam mararam raraman mararaman.
That's not even that good. We'll give a lot, but I'll give a lot. Let's see this. Okay, not bad power. It's kinda getting. Woo! It's so slow. Oh, because it's stuck. Event. Now let me open this. I'm opening this, man. Cool, we're opening this. I'm opening this, man. I'm opening this. I'm opening it. No one's here. And I did it. Uncommon. Seriously. Oh, this is mine. I think that's mine. Is that mine? No, is that mine? Nothing's mine. You give me the...
Tuberini, octopus.
Oh, that's mine. Okay, it came to my base. Cool. Let's just say it's a noob. That's what I'm just gonna say. It's a noob. Alright. So he's gonna give that to me, right? You can give? But let me just smack you. Oh yes! Oh yes! Is it? Oh yes! Now shout out to him. Shout out to him. We already got mythic, alright? Because of him. Okay, because of him. Then we upgrade my strength. Oh, I need to keep upgrading it. It's stronger, yeah. It's stronger, yeah, man. And we opened it.
Mateo!
You bring it.
Trallallero, trallallà.
That money. Give me your money. Thanks for the job. One
Orangutini
shot.
ananasini.
One shot. That's one. Got this again. What can we upgrade? Can we upgrade what? OMG, bro. No, I'm upgrading a lot. Let me give a lot. Okay, I give myself luck, okay? Myself luck. Or the silver luck? I don't know. But later I'll collect the money. Just wait. I'll just open this and
Ta 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 ta. Sahur.
no.
Trippi troppi. Troppa trippa.
Oh. What is nice? It's not. No, I think we need to sell some bring that. Let me just take that. I don't like uncommon and common. Let me get everything without common and uncommon. Sorry, I don't like you too. And you, sorry to be trophy. But that's a safety. But I want you guys, I know. Just kidding, we're going to sell. Just kidding, we're going to sell. Sell. Now we can just upgrade our luck. Now what can we upgrade to work? More money! It's not. Let's see our luck. Stronger, okay.
Tung 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 sahur.
I'm just gifting you. What do I, bro? I want something. Bro, I want this. Bro, I want this. Huge, huge. Mateo. Give me huge Mateo. Give me huge Mateo. This one. Okay, gonna give that to me. He's gonna give it. He's gonna give it to me. Yes, please. Yes. Yes. No way. No way. He's gonna give that to me. No, just give. Money. I'll give it back. Money. I'll give it back. Man. Bro, I promise I'll give it back. Okay, the moment I just no, stop say okay. Okay. He gonna give it. Okay. Wait. What's that? Behind this message. Behind you. Behind you, man. Wait, behind you. Bye-bye. Oh no, he gave me this. Shall I give it back? This is huge, man. Nah, huge. How many money do they give? No, I don't care if I just come here. Just kidding, I do care. I want to skip this. Shall I keep this tomorrow? I'll give it back. Give it back tomorrow. Boo, I'm gonna give this back tomorrow for this. Not gonna lie. I'll give it back tomorrow, man. I'll give it back tomorrow. I'll give it back tomorrow. Give it back I'll give it back tomorrow. Right. I'll give it back tomorrow.
Blueberrini, octopus.
Oh, I'll give it back tomorrow, Ace. I'll give it back tomorrow, yeah. I'll give it back tomorrow. Kidding. Oh, yeah. He's gonna give that to me. He's gonna... But I don't really want to give this back actually. So let me just go back. Nah, man. Can I give this back or not?
Udin din 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 dun, madin din din dun.
Or...
Blueberrini, octopus.
later I'll just
Garam mararam raram mararaman.
wait. If you go subscribe, I'll give this away. I'll give this away. Okay. If he let me have it, okay. If he let me have it.
Boneka ambalau.
I can give you some of my videos, but this is for the biggest one, okay? Drop good fit. If you want to have this material, just drop it on the comment. I'll just ask my friend who built this if I can just have it. Yeah.
Blueberrini. Octopus.
What's this? Get out of here!
Blueberrini. Octopus.
Okay, I think now. Ace. 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 I'll give it back. Never. Shall I say that? I'll give it back never. Is he gonna... Hey. 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 He did. He did. I'll give it back. Give it back. Eat back. I'm not coming, alright? I'm not coming. I'll give it back. Next. Yeah. I'll give it back. No, I'm giving it back. Why so much trolling, my friend? What is he gonna do? I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth. Truth. Say goodbye to you. Please. Okay. If you guys are gonna hate this, I'm giving this back tomorrow, yeah. But if you're lucky, viewers, if I'm giving it back. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. But I'm not. Okay guys, if you guys want me to give the brain rot back, just comment it below, okay? Okay. But if you don't want me to give it back, I'm not gonna give it back. So bye guys, peace.